Nagluntad ang tensyon sa tunga sang prosecution kag defense sang ginsuguran ni Attorney Christine Ferrer ang cross-examination kay COA ICFAO Supervising Auditor Sailin May del Campo sa ika-15 nga adlaw sang impeachment trial. Ang tensyon naanungod sa paggamit sa mga dokumento kag exhibits samtang ginahimo ang cross-examination. Makapila ka beses nagpamatok si House Private Prosecutor Lorna Capunan sa paggamit ni Ferrer sang mga defense exhibit. Apang sunod naman kay Ferrer nga dapat hilway sila nga gamiton ang ila mga dokumento kag sundo ng kaugalingon sini nga linyada sang pagpamangkot. Sunod kay Ferrer, hindi makadikta ang counsel kung paano sini i-cross-examination ang testigo. Samtang sunod kay Capunan, kaangay nga ginalimitahan ang defense sa paggamit sang mga dokumento sang prosecution. Isa ka isu nga gusto sini kuntani malikawan sa ilang parte. Naobserbara naman ni Presiding Officer Cheese Escudero ang padayon nga pagpamatok ni Capunan kag ginlaragway ang nauna nga hindi pagkaintindihan bilang water under the bridge o kon natapos na.
Since counsel admits that our AAMs are their defendants' AAMs, can we just use the prosecution's copies, Your Honor?
But Your Honor, we have prepared,
Counsel,
visual
counsel,
aid using
Show them. Show the document.
Yeah, I will. I am showing the defense document.
No, we will
No,
not agree.
Your Honor, the counsel cannot
We will
dictate
not
how I
agree,
will
Your
proceed
Honor.
with my cross-examination. Can the counsel, Your Honor, be reminded that I'm on
counsel
We
cross-examination?
will not agree, Your Honor, to
What are you not
presentation
agreeing
of
to,
the
Attorney
defense
Capunan?
documents.
I'm sorry?
Because precisely there was no stipulation yesterday.
There
They are
was, Your
now
Honor.
constrained. Excuse me, counsel.
Allow her to finish,
They are
counsel.
now constrained, Your Honor. I'm sorry. They are now constrained to use our documents precisely. This is what we wanted to avoid yesterday. Had we did a comparison, not to belabor the obvious, Your Honor, but now counsel says, anyway, it's the same. So if
Your
it's the same, what's the objection to using the prosecution's document?
Counsel, that water is already under the bridge. You may request assisting counsel to check the copy being presented to Ms. Eileen, and you may make it the subject matter of your redirect later on. Allow counsel to present.
Thank you, Your
The presiding
Honor.
officer will allow the counsel to present that document, but notes the continuing objection of Attorney
Thank you, Your
Capunan with
Honor.
respect to this matter.